I will show you how to put a rear tire on a bike. We'll be careful to choose the right tire size depending on the bike. If we have 29-inch wheels, we choose 29-inch tires and so on. First, we put one side on the tire on. Be careful with the correct tire direction. Now inflate the inner tube, but only a little. Not so much. This is perfect. Now put inner tube inside. Now we start opposite the valve and install the other side tire. Oh, so easy. We screwed on the nuts to hold the valve. And now we can inflate to the desired pressure. You can find the recommended pressures on the side on the tire. Here, 65 psi. The tire should fit nicely like this. And that's. And you are done. Thank you and goodbye.